Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Today, let's dive into the secrets of Uranus, the sideways planet. First off, Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest in diameter. It's an ice giant, packed with water, methane, and ammonia ice. But what makes Uranus really unique is its 98-degree tilt, spinning almost on its side. Discovered by Sir William Herschel on March 13, 1781, Uranus was the first planet found using a telescope. Herschel initially thought it was a star, but its movement gave away its planetary nature. Now, let's break down its structure. Uranus has a rocky core, surrounded by icy layers of water, ammonia, and methane, topped by an atmosphere dominated by hydrogen, helium, and methane. This methane absorbs red light, giving Uranus its pale blue-green hue. Why is Uranus tilted? Scientists believe a massive collision with an Earth-sized object knocked it over. This tilt causes wild seasons, 42 years of sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness for each pole. Uranus has 27 known moons, named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Some of the major moons are Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. Each has its own unique features, from icy surfaces to strange canyons. Don't forget Uranus's rings, 13 faint and dark rings discovered in 1977. The Epsilon ring is the densest of them all. Uranus's climate is extreme. It's the coldest planet with temperatures dipping to -224 degrees Celsius. Fast winds and occasional storms whip through its atmosphere. Unlike other gas giants, Uranus doesn't have much internal heat, making it extra chilly. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Uranus back in 1986. It discovered 10 new moons and 2 rings. Future missions, like NASA's proposed Uranus Orbiter and Probe, aim to explore its atmosphere, rings, and moons in detail. So, how does Uranus stack up against other planets? It's an ice giant like Neptune, but smaller than gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. It has faint rings, numerous moons, and the most extreme seasons of any planet. Fun facts: Uranus is the only planet named after a Greek god, rotates on its side, and has the coldest atmosphere. Its magnetic field is tilted and off-center, adding to its quirks. Uranus is a treasure trove for scientists, offering insights into ice giant formation and potential exoplanets. Who knows, its moons might even harbor subsurface oceans. That's a wrap on Uranus, folks. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our solar system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating space facts. Catch you later.